Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt granola. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 2 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of honey, and a 1/2 cup of mixed nuts. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature helps achieve a perfectly golden and crispy granola. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful breakfast. Now let's create the granola base. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of rolled oats, a 1/2 cup of your favorite nuts, and a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this wet mixture over the dry ingredients. Stir everything well until the oats and nuts are evenly coated. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. It's time to bake your delicious granola. Spread the coated oat mixture evenly in a single layer on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Place it in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir the granola halfway through the baking time to ensure it browns evenly and gets perfectly crispy. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on the baking sheet. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. Finally, let's assemble your perfect yogurt granola. Once your granola is completely cool, it's ready to be paired with your favorite yogurt. Spoon a generous amount of creamy Greek yogurt into a bowl, then top it with a handful of your homemade granola. For an extra burst of freshness and nutrients, add some fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your wholesome and delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.